Ooh, Jafar leveled up.
One stack should do it. Hey, Jafar. I'm actually kind of hoping I don't level up because I set it to get back all my... Check out your engram points, because you've been saving them, right?
Yeah, I've got 399.
Jesus, okay. I don't know how I have negative 11. I don't understand.
Maybe they updated.
I was saving a bunch up.
They could have updated
Maybe,
and made
so that's
stuff worth more.
I cheated a little bit though. Alright, your melee damage is going up. I have it so when my next level I get like 108 points instead of 28 to make up for the bullshit. But I might have to restart the server for that.
Okay, well let me tame this thing.
Cheat server part 2.
Hey, as long as we're having fun, we're still sticking to the mechanics. It's just you and me, and we only have small windows of time to play. That's all I view it. Alright, we're down to 400. I'm literally gonna just wait till 100 and feed it.
Yep. There's a monkey.
Yeah, you know how to get a monkey, right?
Yeah, you give it berries, I think.
Yeah, you put it in your last slot. It's just like the ichthyosaur.
Yep. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that bird thing is the same way. Uh-oh, what's chasing it?
Dilos, I'm gonna go kill them because I don't like the fact that they're picking on a monkey.
That's what I evolved from.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm so glad you left the bird there. I'd never find him again.
Bugs. I punched the damn thing out of the sky.
Okay, we are down to 300, 299. I'm so this is the most excited I've been about taming.
This ugly little guy. Do you want me to drop the meat on him?
Yeah, but wait till we're right under 100, because it falls like 5 a second.
We'll see how my fast taming works.
Yes.
That 0.5.
I'm gonna murder you, Christian. Thanks for being so generous with our time. I'm just gonna kill you.
Yep. Anytime, Laura.
Crank that.
You just let me know. I cranked that shit to 11.
Yeah. Okay. That's funny.
One more than 10.
70. Okay.
So, I'm looking into getting rumble packs for my chair now.
Cool.
So, like, you hook it up to the audio. So, like, basically, playing this game, when there's, like, a dinosaur stomping around, it'll feel like there's a dinosaur stomping around. It'll, like, thump, thump, thump as it walks.
That's cool.
Alright, I'm gonna drop it.
Go ahead.
4, 3, 2,
Yep.
1, and blop.
Okay, I might have to do one tank. I'll do one narcotic.
Uh-oh.
What? We'll be okay. Yes, eat one more. Yep.
There he goes. Nice.
Yes. Carry on shoulder. Give me my goddamn.
Oh! It's like your fucking parrot.
Okay.
Oh my
how do I
god.
turn the camera? Is it an F3? F4? What is it?
I don't know. What? Oh,
You see yourself. F1? No. God damn it.
It's right alt. Right alt. And step back. Behind you is the sun. You want to get in the light before it goes. More. And you're looking at the ground. Alright, so look up. There you go.